Reggae superstar Buju Banton will kick off his Freedom Tour at the National Stadium in Jamaica.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Reggae icon Buju Banton will kick off his highly anticipated Long Walk to Freedom Tour in Kingston, Jamaica at the National Stadium on Saturday, March the 16th, 2019. In a news release, his promotional team said tickets for the show will go on sale on January 16th via Banton's official website, bujubanton.com. The post on Buju Banton's official Instagram page said, "It is truly been a long walk to freedom, but I give thanks for the outpouring of love and support over the past 9 years. I look forward to seeing and thanking you all on the Long Walk to Freedom Tour beginning March 19th. Banton, whose real name is Mark Anthony Myrie, recently returned to the island after serving 8 years behind bars in the United States on drug-related charges. The concert will reportedly mark the return of Banton's Shiloh Band, who, according to the release, began rehearsing about a month ago for the Long Walk to Freedom stop in Jamaica and subsequent tour stops. It is also believed that part proceeds from the March 16 show will go to aid the efforts of his recently formed Buju Banton Foundation, which will focus on assisting at-risk youths on the island. He has a show already booked for Trinidad and Tobago in the spring of next year. There is also a show set for March the 30th at the Nassau National Stadium in the Bahamas.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. Teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.